So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be creating a simple brand logo in just 10 minutes. So today we will be creating something simple for a shop that sells eggs. So this is the logo that we will be creating using just the pen tool and the ellipse shape in just 10 minutes. So let's see how such simple logos can be created for the shops that we have. So let's start. So I have already created a separate frame where we'll be creating this logo. So the frame is ready. So now let's um, select the pen tool and we can create the shape like this. So we'll be creating the zigzag triangular shape using the pen tool. Let's add one more thing. So if you can see, like I'm using the reference line which is shown in the red color to create the triangles. And as I'm going to the top, I'm using both horizontal and the vertical reference line so that uh, the points are aligned properly. So now that's done, our zigzag rectangle is ready. So now let's make the edges a bit smoother so that it looks like a yet. Okay, so now that's ready. We can adjust the size and let's align it to center. Let's fill in with the white color, also add a shadow to this, and now the egg white is ready. Now we need to add the ellipse, so let's create a small circle, and I don't want this to be aligned to the center but a bit to the right, so I'm aligning something like this. Yep. Now that's ready. Let's check what the color we need to use in here. Okay, so this is a linear color that we are using, and this is the color code that we'll be using. So we have copied the color code. Now let's paste it, and instead of solid we'll be making this linear. Yes, and let's see what the right side. So this is FFCF4 and this is FBD. Okay, so in the left the color is this, a bit of white green is being added into the left portion of the yolk. Now let's add a shadow to this and make the shadow inner, and let's adjust the yes. Now that's ready. Let's make the color a bit more white. Yes, so still you can see the difference is too less, so let's make the blur. Instead of 0, let's make it 1 and let's increase the size of the X. Yeah, so now that's ready. Let's use one more ellipse. Let's, and now let's see what the color that we have used. So we have added this particular color and the opacity is 42. So to here. So now that's ready. Since this is a shopping store, let's add a handle to this. So for that I'm again using the ellipse and I'm adding stroke to this, and I'll be copy pasting the same thing. Let's make the outer handle a bit more bigger. Now both are center aligned. So now let's copy the color of the frame and fill the inner circle with the same color and fill the outer circle with the white color that we have. Now let's select this vector and let's move it to the top. Okay. Yep. So instead of moving this to the top, I just moved the outer handle circles to the bottom. And let's make this a bit more bigger. Yep. And yes, now the logo is ready. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such short videos. Thank you.